Hello YouTube, this is Eric with Eric's Gear, and I'm going to do something a little different than even the little different that I have been doing lately. Don't know if I posted any of that yet, but yeah, it's different again. So I bought a piece of furniture, and I'd like to do a setup and build of this because it's basically part one of a project that I didn't even know that I was going to do until I got the piece of furniture and then I saw some cool stuff on YouTube. So a couple other things are different. Instead of using my phone, I'm using a webcam attached to my computer so I can record all of this without having to stop and then edit things back later. And I was going to try and use my phone as an IP camera to do the same thing, but that just didn't work. So going with a little bit lower tech and still trying to get this to work. So anyway, this is a coffee table that kind of looks like an old steamer trunk. It's black and silver and has a lift top to it. So when you're sitting at your couch, you can pull this top up to you and do some writing or eat or play a game or whatever. So what I plan on doing is a couple of things. This has a single lift top, but the way my living room is set up, it would only go to the couch, and I usually sit in the recliner, which is a 90-degree turn from the couch. So the non-existent people who sit on the couch would get the benefit of the lift top, but not me. So one thing I'm going to do eventually, when I get to this other part, is I'm going to split it into two, so that one section will go to the couch. I'm gesturing over here without being it on screen. So they'll have the people on the couch will be able to get stuff, and we'll be able to use part of the lift top, and I'll be able to use the lift top instead of the chintzy TV trays that I've been using. And the other part of that is I will be turning that into some clear acrylic, because I want to put something inside of that instead of just storage. So on YouTube, there's this really cool thing that I've seen a couple of different iterations of, where it's this box filled with just the tiniest bit of sand, and there's a marble, steel marble, rolling around in there doing different patterns. Since I'm familiar with CNC machines, I think that would be a really cool thing to put in here. So fill that full of lights. Instead of doing one marble, somehow managed to get two heads, and to get two marbles on that table, two heads on the gantry, get them to do the same things at the same time, because this is going to be long. And most of those other things have been square. So I'm gonna, it's like a way pie in the sky, pipe dream kind of idea, but this is the first part of it. I want to get this going because I really like this coffee table look. I want to get to using it, and it's taking up my living room. So yes, I am doing this in my living room. I'd like to say that I brought all my tools in here to be able to do this, because it has such good lighting. But the fact is, well, my garage is full, and this is where my tools normally get stashed because my garage is full. So yeah, this is temporarily my workshop, so we'll just have to go with it. I've got a whole bunch of things set up, ready to go. I guess you can't see that, but I'll just get going. So Let's get to unboxing this guy. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this way is up. Oh, look, it says don't use a knife. Well, too bad. It's a good thing I actually know how to use one of these without, like, scoring across everything like they do at grocery stores. So, this is interesting. These are the instructions, but I guess to make sure that guys actually use it, they changed the name of it a little bit. So, oh my. Here's the whole 2 pages. This could be interesting. Or maybe there's not as much assembly as I think. Oh, look. It shows you how to put the legs on. And then it shows you how to operate the tabletop. That's nice. And that's it. Okay. I'm gonna need this. It's got all kinds of wrap around it. So just to make it easier, I'm cutting the sides to the corners. If you couldn't tell, I'm one of those that likes some assembly required. The fact that this is not going to take much assembly, that's kind of disappointing for me. The not required knife is totally required. Smells like they almost let the stain dry before they put it in the packaging. Well, there's there's that. And there's the legs. Got for it. Whoops. No. Don't know if you saw that, but this little protector thing just went flying over there that I may find someday, maybe in a couple of years when I move the bookcase. Okay. So this is looking good so far. Yes, I did catch that piece of foam that you probably couldn't see. There's a tag underneath here. Warranty for a table, okay. Ooh, yep, this isn't getting any lighter. Surprise, surprise, the foam and the cardboard didn't really reduce the weight of this. That almost feels like it's actual solid wood. It might be. For the price I paid, I hope it is. These look solid. Yeah, those are solid wood. Then again, I got this for about $200 off. The original price. We got it on sale. It was one heck of a sale. They gave like I don't even remember how much, the original. And on top of that was another 10%. Made in Vietnam. Okay. This one just doesn't want to tighten. That could be a bad sign. I don't see anything pulling out or stripping out. I don't know why they needed instructions to take this thing put it in a little hole here and turn it. Okay, so through the magic of time lapse, I've gotten this done in record time. Now, if you have been paying any sort of attention, you'll notice that there was no time lapse, but this is done. Has an interesting look to the top. It's got saw marks here, like it's trying to be quarter sawn or rough sawn. It's got all kinds of marks along here. So, and then the lift top here, and it's got, oh, yeah, still not light. Yeah, these are, it's like a stainless steel look that is tarnished. This actually feels like really good hardware. So, I think this will work. I even think my idea of turning this into one of those CNC marble sand maze design things will work. The mechanism here doesn't go down too far, so we can keep that up nice and high. There's no partitions in the bottom, so I don't have to take anything out there. And these, that seems to be solid wood. So those can be replaced with some steel brackets to make them a lot narrower. And I'm going to have to put some extra stuff in there for that other lift top side. I figure split it around here, so there's still plenty of room for people on the couch. And then this, instead of coming this way, it'll go this way for the recliner. I think that'll work nicely. Whoops. There's a little latch right here that's fake. Kind of looks cool though. Can't really see it. Oh. And the desk kit. I keep these things. That's a really massive one. Alright. So, except for some cleanup, I'm going to have to say that my first unboxing and assembly video went pretty well, if it was unexpectedly short. So I guess we're done here, and I'll talk to you later. See you around.